This is Jen Puzio. Thank you for being here and welcome to Kettlebells, a 20-minute circuit to burn fat and increase endurance. In this lecture, I'm going to explain what you can expect from this course. Kettlebells are a great exercise modality for overall strength and conditioning. They are a very affordable way to exercise since you don't need a gym membership. All you need is a kettlebell and a safe area to work out. No other equipment is needed. In this course, I'm going to show you proper positioning and holds with kettlebells and take you through a 20-minute circuit using kettlebells. If you are crunched for time and want to participate in a more intense workout in a less amount of time, then this is an effective training session for you. In this course, I'm going to talk briefly about the history of kettlebells, associated health benefits, review circuit training, and why it may be the best thing for you to reach your goals. You will learn different kettlebell positions, how to move safely with kettlebells, and how to choose the right kettlebell. I will also provide demonstrations and explain each kettlebell movement within the circuit. So, let's get started and I will see you in the next chapter.